girls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diamond Lynn, aka DIMETHEDONN. If you don't know, now you know. Okay, so I'm back with another video. Okay, wow, literally a week apart. I'm so proud of myself. Consistency. But yeah, I'm back with another video. And I'm showing you guys how to reinstall your lace wigs, even if your wig is balding like mine was. My wig was so messed up, and I will show y'all, like, y'all can see it. It was so messed up, but I still did the thing. So, yeah, y'all. This is really for my girls. I've seen like a lot of people on TikTok and Instagram, like, hairstylists don't like reinstall wigs, and I am a hairstylist and I do reinstall wigs for my clients, but I know a lot of hairstylists don't, because like I get it, like sometimes people's lace is really bad and you have to turn them down and they'll get like irritated or whatever the case may be. But there are still ways, like, after a client installs a wig once, they can reinstall it 2-3 more times. So, yeah, I'm showing you guys how to do it at home by yourself if you don't have a hairstylist who can do it for you. Also, everybody does not have the luxury of getting their hair done. For, you know, some people like me, or some people like maybe you can get your hair done when you want to, but that's maintenance for, you know, some people. And then for others, you know, that's like a luxury for them. Like, everybody can't get their nails, toes, eyebrows, eyelashes, hair done every 2 weeks. Not everybody can do that. Not every month people can do that. You know, not everybody is living on the same budget. So this is really for my girls who want to slay their own wigs at home. I'm going to be very, very, very detailed. I show you guys the ball cap, why your ball cap matters, install, cutting the extra lace, baby hairs that I struggled with. Okay, I can't do baby hairs on myself to save my life, but on my clients, period, they be cute. But yeah, y'all, so let me stop rambling. Make sure you guys, if you aren't subscribed now, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Join the family, let's grow. And yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Hey everybody, so we're just gonna go in with these legs everyday knee highs. I got these from Target for $8. They are a little tight, but they melt in so good. So I'm gonna just pull that back, and I'm just gonna cut off that extra that y'all saw me tying in a knot, and you guys want to make sure that you guys keep that. So from there, I'm gonna cut my ear tabs out on both sides, and then I'm just gonna pull my ears out. But let me explain to you guys why your cap is so important, and why you need to spend more time on your caps, guys. So your cap is important because this is literally what your wig is laid to. So if your cap starts to slide, your wig starts to slide. That's why I use my alcohol, and I use my Got To Be glue and my Ghost Bond to make sure that my cap does not go where, because if your cap slides, your wig slides, and that is what your hair is attached to. And that is why y'all be pulling y'all caps off. I need to stop doing that and go in and remove them, because y'all be blaming y'all hairstylists on y'all being bald. Y'all ain't got no edges, but y'all need to make sure that you're not pulling your cap off, because your hair is usually attached to your cap. So now I'm gonna go in with my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just gonna spread that out on both sides. And you guys don't need a lot of glue. I kind of overdid the glue today, but it's okay. So next I'm going in with my Got To Be glue spray. I got my 6-pack off of Amazon, and I'm just gonna apply that to everywhere I put the glue. So now I'm gonna go with my blow dryer on medium to low heat, and I am just gonna blow dry my cap until it is completely dry. Now this is my balding lace. There was hair there once upon a time, y'all. Like, look at me practicing for a thumbnail. Child, this lace was terrible. But anyways, we gonna fix that. I sprayed my wig with Got To Be glue spray, and now I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm just pushing all that hair back. So now that my cap is dry, I'm going to go with my scissors and I'm just cutting all that extra cap off. You guys want to make sure you take your time and be very careful so you guys don't cut yourselves. Boom, I'm bald head, period. So now I'm just going to go in with my Morphe foundation and I'm going to apply that to my lace, and I cleaned off my skin where I'm going to apply the glue. So now this is me trying on my wig. Yeah, I look crazy, but it's okay. You see all this extra lace, girl, she gotta go. So I pushed my wig up like in the back so that I can pull my wig down in the front some more, because all that lace is not about to be applied to my skin. I'm literally about to cut all of that extra lace off. Like, look at that. Ooh, child, look at it. So now I'm getting this eyebrow razor. I got it from the beauty supply store for $1, girl. $1. Go get you one. And I just cut off that extra lace. Like, she gotta go. Look at them once upon a time baby hairs. So say it. Just so say it. You guys want to make sure that you take your time and get off all the extra lace that you can, because that's not cute at all. Like, delete it. Delete it all of it. And if you do cut off some hair, that's fine as well. We're gonna part out some more baby hairs. And this is just me just measuring and making sure everything is still fitting to my head the way I like it. That is why I didn't pull down the wig in the back, because there's always extra room in the back of your wig for you to pull down. You just want to make sure that you have enough lace up front to pull down some more to get the wig to your liking, y'all. And this is like the last time I'm installing this wig, y'all, because I barely got no parting room left. Like, this frontal is already baby and I'm making it extra baby. So, you know, we just need her for a week to shoot some videos. That's all we need. So yeah, doesn't she look so much better than what we just started with? Like, girl, get you a razor so you can cut that extra lace off. So this is me showing you guys that I lifted the wig off my head, and I'm going in with 3 coats of my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm spreading that out evenly. I was playing myself. I didn't put enough glue, so I just went in and redid all of that. But yeah, I did 3 layers. Y'all didn't see all 3 because I was trying to not make this video super long for you guys. But yeah, so just to speed up the process, I went in with my personal fan. I got this from Amazon for $7, girl. Actually, I got this one from Walmart, but I have another one from Amazon that you guys can get just to speed up your process. And I use it for my makeup too, but yeah. I'm going in and I'm just gonna apply that lace to my face, girl. And then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna part out some extra hair just to help me pull my lace, just to like really secure my lace. You guys, this is a nice trick for any beginners because it helps you can like map out and see like how you want your baby hairs and how like your the fake scalp part is going to look. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull out hair around the whole perimeter, and then I'm going to tie this down with my elastic band. I got my elastic band from the beauty supply store. They sell them for like $1, $2 sometimes. So yeah, make sure you guys get one, please. And I'm really using my comb and my fingers to press that lace into my skin, so I'm not out here looking crazy. So this is me trying to get some more thumbnail pics that I did not use. I hope y'all like my thumbnail because I took my time on it. But yeah, I left this on for like 15 minutes, and then I came back with my Got to Be glue spray just to give my lace like that extra melt, girl. Like, this is a nice trick for y'all. Go ahead and put that Got to Be glue spray right on top of that glue and tie it back down. That is what we did. So after that, look at this baby part, child. Y'all, don't talk about me. Anyways, I'm just gonna part out where I want my part at, and then I'm going to go in with my She Is Bomb wax stick and just apply that to everywhere I really want my hair laid at. So it really flattens my part, like, you know, it really gives you that flat look at the top. And then you guys want to make sure you go in with your hot comb. Please, if you do not have a hot comb, what are you doing? Go get you one now. Everybody sell them now. But yeah, I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm literally just pushing everything back and flattening everything, and parting out my baby hairs to my liking. So now we're about to struggle a little bit. I am trying to get my baby hairs together. I can do baby hairs on my clients all day, every day, but on me, I'd be struggling. But I'm gonna go with my Gorilla Snot and my BBA foam, and I'm gonna mix those together. This is my holy grail. This is what I use for baby hairs. Y'all can use whatever y'all want to use, but this is what I personally use, and I literally just lick my baby hairs back. Also, y'all, baby hairs are like trial and error. Like, you gonna have to go back and cut them and part them and add more hair, take hair out. Like, really, baby hairs is just you trying to finesse, you trying to get it to your liking, you trying to just make some shake, okay? So a lot of people be like, Diamond, like, how do I do my baby hairs? Girl, finesse. It's just finesse and some swoopty swoops. That's it, girl. Also, y'all, I did not have no clips with me at home today. I left all my clips at the salon. So I'm struggling with all this hair on my head. So after our baby hairs is done, I'm just gonna tie it back down, and then I'm gonna go in and style my hair. I don't know what type of texture you guys have, but this is, I believe, water wave hair. So yeah, I just went in and wet mine, and I put in my Cantu curl activator cream. I do not use Cantu on my real hair. I do not recommend that you do that, but on your wigs you can do so, okay? And I'm just gonna keep applying that, and I'm gonna use my brush and my hands just to get everything to my liking and make sure my curls are bomb. So yeah, this is me just playing around with my hair. So now this is a big reveal. It's still not all the way to my liking, y'all. So I did go in and put some more of that Got to Be glue spray and tie it back down. And then I went in and I added some more makeup to my lace just to make sure it blends with my makeup for today, that I only put on for y'all because I was really filming at 12 o'clock at night. But anything for y'all, right? So yeah, that was my final touches. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I made everything easy for you guys. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Ask me any questions you need to in the comments, and I will see y'all in my next video. Ooh, who is she? I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.